How to fix low microphone volume in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, at the bottom, click on the volume icon. Right click on it and you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Open Sound Settings, which is the first option. After you do that, it will lead you to Sound Settings. In here, scroll down and click on Choose Your Input Device. Make sure your microphone is in here. Then at the bottom, click on Device Properties. After you click on Device Properties in here, you'll find Volume of the microphone. Make sure it's 100. Then on the right side, click on Additional Device Properties. After you click on Additional Device Properties, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply at the top, click on Levels. In here, make sure your volume is high. After you've done that, you will find Advanced. Click on Advanced and make it the highest quality. After you've done that, press on Apply at the bottom and then press on OK. After you've done that, you can simply open Device Manager. Then in here, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs and right click on the microphone. Then click on Properties in here. After you're in the Properties, click on Driver at the top and click on Update Driver. After you've clicked on Update Driver, make sure everything is updated. After you've done that and your best driver is installed, you can close this tab and you're good to go. This is how to fix low microphone volume in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.